Hi, I'm Ira Weidberg with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'd like to introduce to you the ultimate downtown residence where the live, work, and play lifestyle awaits you here at 100 Barclay Street, apartment 16J.
The sophisticated 16J loft-like residence articulates modern elegance and gracious, functional living spaces, resulting in a versatile and relaxing work-from-home profile for today's multi-dimensional lifestyle. The walnut-paneled entry door opens to a welcoming great room, an open kitchen that boasts 10-foot ceilings, 7-foot casement double-hung windows, and 4-inch plain custom-stained white oak floors. The large master bedroom features coveted walk-in closets and ensuite bath replete with polished Calcutta gold marble countertops and floor-to-ceiling tiled walls, high-honed herringbone marble floors, waterworks fixtures, soaking tub, custom vanity with undermount sinks, and radiant heated floors. The impeccable apartment is complete with a generous home office den, full-size washer and vented dryer, dimmable lighting, smart window shades, and a central heating and cooling system. As well, there is a second full bath featuring high-honed marble tiled floor and marble vanity countertop. A private storage unit down the hall on the same floor is deeded and transfers with the unit. The renowned Ralph Walker Tribeca is a full-service building with a 24-hour doorman and concierge.
With 40,000 square feet of amenities at the Barclay, you have plenty of time to unwind and relax and sweat out that long day.
The 40,000 square feet of amenity space include a fitness center designed by The Right Fit, an 82-foot heated lap pool, wading pool, spa treatment rooms, sauna, steam room, yoga studio, Pilates studio, boxing studio, and large gym complete with Peloton bikes.
And take time to enjoy all of Lower Manhattan's beautiful parks and piers.
Battery Park City and is a stone throw from Brookfield Place, Whole Foods, Italy, Westfield World Trade Center, and the Oculus, which is not only a transportation hub with access to all subway lines and the Path, but also a luxury shopping mall.
Thanks so much for taking the tour with me. I'd love to give you your own private showing of this apartment.